Hey guys, 828 Find Adventure. Somebody shared this neat little modification you can do to your doors on the 4Runners. And this is the 6th gen 4Runner 2025 and up. And it kind of interested me because it was low cost. It was like 12 bucks on Amazon. And I'll put a link under the description of the video. I'll put a link under the video in the description. Anyways, so let me show you where this goes. And it appears there is a left and a right. And this is just a real easy mod. But what it does is it seals this gap here. Now, depending on, where you live, like if you live in the salt belt, that could really help keep the grime out of here. Because basically, all it does is it attaches right here on this seam. Let me move closer so you can check it out. Right here, down the door, you have this metal piece right here. Goes all the way down. So first thing I'm gonna do, just like everything else, I'm gonna clean it with alcohol. So I'm just gonna spray a bunch on a rag here. And I'm gonna go down this seam and just clean it up like this. Now there is no adhesive tape on this. It has the way it's molded, it pinches to it. If you've ever done anything like these before. And let's see here, this one will go on this side. Okay. So there is a left and a right, it seems. And so we're gonna put this on here. This one has a curved top. You see that? And you can see here where this pinches over this piece of the door metal right here. But you can see that. You might have to trim some of this off. So I'm gonna put this on just like this. Look at that, it really goes on well. Can you see the way I'm doing that? I'm gonna lower you a little bit. Let me get some scissors. So what I'm gonna do down here, there's too much. It's kind of overhanging. So I'm gonna trim it. I marked it first, of course. I'll pull that off. Trim it. And this has got metal in it. So this so that's nice. Look at that. All right, let's check that out. Okay, so you can see there where I pressed it on, goes all the way down, and where I marked it and I cut it at the bottom. Now, we're gonna have to see how this holds up in the car wash and stuff, but let me shut the door here and show you. Look at that. Seals it pretty good. All the way down. Now I wish it would seal the very bottom, but there's nothing for it to attach to. So, but it seals a lot of it out. It's pretty neat. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's great. And it holds on good. That's pretty neat. I'm gonna go over and do the other side. All right, got my scissors, my little marker. Okay, first thing, I'm gonna clean it with some alcohol here. Clean that really good. Now, like I said again, there's no double stick tape. This is just, it pinches on there. right, let's get this going. You can see that. This is pretty easy, pretty self-explanatory, the way this goes on. Okay, I've got it marked. Now I'm going to cut it. Now there is metal in here, so using scissors probably isn't the best method, but there we go. All right, now you can see how I have it on there. Stops a few inches short from the bottom, but there is nothing for it to pinch. Can you see that? Let's see if you can see that door ding I got. See that? Look at that ding right there. Somebody did that to me. It didn't mar the paint. It just the metal. Maybe it was a grocery cart or something. Probably some Instacart person in a hurry or some old lady opening a door. But anyways, again, scissors, a marker for marking your cut, some alcohol, and you'll be good to go. So these were inexpensive, and I'm gonna try them out, see how they hold up in the car wash and washing the car and stuff. But well guys, I hope you liked that little video of installing this door seal. I don't know why it didn't come with it. Maybe the upper trim models have it, like the limited, but maybe Toyota just didn't put it on any of them. You know, it's kind of weird. You know, they put hood insulation on some of the models, but not the lower trim models. And you know, people complain about engine noise, but all they need to do is insulate that hood. And you know, you'll find a link for that. I had to do it on mine under the description, in the description under the video, where I put one of those hood mats on. Or if you need the link, just message me. It helps keep the engine quiet and keep the hood cool, or the heat from the hood from transferring to the engine. Anyways, this is what I got. Y'all can reach out with some questions, see how it's doing. But I mean, for like 12 bucks on Amazon, this is great. Works great. And you know, they're probably made for some upper trims. Maybe they come on the Lexus or something. I don't know, or the Land Cruisers. Who knows? But for 12 bucks, I mean, there you go. And seal's good. Looks factory. 12 bucks. So if you would like, share, and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. Reach out with some comments on any of the vehicles. I'll be glad to answer them. And stay tuned. I got more videos coming. I had to take a little time off. I had to take about a week off to do some family stuff. But I'm back, and I'll be making videos through the summer. So I will see you then. See ya.